Midusa e pachoka sani koro golo kwayo ne piny owacho mondo chuog tije maromo gana 10 ne Midusa mapok ondiki e tich e thurka. E kinde mane gibago ng'anyo mamuol e chuny boma ma Nairobi, jokanyo mag riwruogno dwaro noketi e tim chike maneno ni Midusa ma pachoka omi thuolo mokwongo e kinde tije. Bende gidwaro ni nonro tim ne kembe Midusa mawuok e pinje maoko kendo neno ni ogo fwai mago matiyo marach gi lesen magi mag tije e pachoka.
We propose a water pan per village in ASAL areas, and this will create 1,000 good jobs for engineers if these measures in water sector are undertaken. Your Excellency, a major expansion of the airports and the aviation infrastructure have a potential to create over 500 jobs for engineers. We believe that Kenya needs investment in a major upgrade to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and construction of 2 additional major airports. We propose the engagement of Kenyan engineers in these initiatives to expand our aviation sector.
Engineering is a highly demanding course and it should be treated as so. Therefore, we as young and upcoming engineers, we call upon the government and ask for justice, integrity and fairness in this delicate matter.
What I've observed is that there are slots for us, but now we are not exposed to the real work, or rather, we are still doing whatever we did in school. Another thing is about the compensation. What I believe is everyone who went to school knew that engineering is a very lucrative field to venture into. So only to come out from school and engineers are compensated nuts and pennies.